Sing, dance with Jeff.
You got a bellyache? Dance. Oh my goodness, Tracy. You've created a monster. I'm sorry. Oh yeah.
I thought it was good. It didn't have an H on it, and I'm like, oh, it's probably too old. All right. And I'm like, wow. So the next time I was over, I had this kind of he's carrying around with him. I'm like, I gotta find him a little guitar.
Oh, that one over at your house, yes. Yes, he does. Dance, Code.
I don't know what those are.
Code, dance. Atta boy. Oh, just like Elvis. That was good. Look, he's on his knee, Ed.
That's it.
Is that smoking something? Look at Tracy, right down on his knee. Oh my God, he watches much too much TV.
Oh no!
Dance, jump, dance, Coach, good boy. Oh, you're so cute, Coach. All right, Cody, you are so good. Are you waiting to be discovered? Oh, there you are. I can see your boo-boo on your arm, Code. Got bad boo-boo?